How to find the correct part on fireparts.com. When trying to find a part, it helps to know which model of fireplace you are working on. Fireplaces usually have an identification plate or label. This label is usually located near the main fireplace valve under the firebox. It can be either a sticker on a removable plate or a sticker on the bottom of the fireplace. On this label, there is information such as the fireplace's make, model, and serial number. You can use this information to search for the manual or parts list on our database. First, go to fire-parts.com. Then go to Manuals and choose the manufacturer and type in your model. Once you find the manual, look for a replacement parts list in the manual. Once you locate the part number you need, type it in our search bar. When you find the part you are looking for, you can check the cross-reference and confirm that the picture looks the same as what you have. If you are unsure or need us to help you find a part, you can send us some fireplace information and pictures. Here's how. Step 1. Take a picture of the identification label. Make sure the manufacturer, model, and serial numbers are visible. Step 2. Take a clear picture of the part you are looking to replace. If needed, get a couple different angles. Step 3. Send those pictures to partshelp@fire-parts.com with a short description of what you are looking for. One of our parts experts will review the information and get back to you.